So the Oregon Nurses Association is responding tonight after Legacy Health sent them a cease-and-desist letter ordering them to stop making claims about ICE agents violating hospital policies. As immigration enforcement efforts spark nationwide unrest, local frontline workers at Legacy Emmanuel Medical Center are speaking out over ICE agents entering the hospital.
ICE isn't following the practices that Legacy has.
Peter Starzinski works for the Oregon Nurses Association. That's the union representing Legacy's healthcare staff.
Not being properly identified, wearing plain clothes, being in areas that they're not supposed to be where they could potentially see protected patient health information, and perhaps most alarmingly, that ICE agents have been hurrying care at sometimes disregarding the advice of providers.
Starzinski says staff has reported their concerns to the hospital, and in a December 10th letter, ONA asked to meet with Legacy Health leaders.
But they got no response. They have no positive response.
ONA took it a step further and sent Legacy Health a binding agreement to create rules around ICE bringing detainees into hospitals. Legacy Health responded with a cease-and-desist letter, writing in part, ONA must cease and desist from making any false or misleading statements regarding Legacy Emmanuel Medical Center's policies. We see it as irresponsible for ONA to fuel such allegations without working through them constructively as partners at Legacy.
We don't believe anything that we've shared publicly is misinformation, so we're not going to back off.
In a statement to KGW, Legacy Health said in part, to date, no ICE officers have entered our facilities unless accompanying a patient in custody. They went on to criticize ONA, writing in part, by sharing this letter with the media rather than providing the information requested by Legacy Health, ONA is proving that they are more interested in publicity than in partnering with Legacy Health.
That's just false. Our goal is to create a healthcare environment where everybody, no matter what their immigration status is or whether they're in detention, to get the highest quality of care.
So in the cease and desist letter, Legacy Health agreed to meet with the Nurses Association, but that meeting has not yet been scheduled. Now, we reached out to the law firm representing Legacy and have not heard back. It's also worth noting that hospitals, as of late, have become somewhat of a target of immigration enforcement. Last week, Border Patrol detained a Gresham family at a Southeast Portland hospital when they were seeking care for their 7-year-old daughter. And earlier this month, federal agents shot 2 Venezuelan immigrants outside that same facility, prompting the Oregon Nurses Association to call on DHS to cease operations in Oregon, arguing that nobody should be afraid of seeking medical care.